Okay, TikTok writers, this is long overdue, but this is part 2 of the GoPro chin mount setup. First, get yourself a curved file, because depending on your writing position, you'll probably need to file down some of the plastic to get the right angle. But try it first, to check if it's needed or not. You only need to file down a little bit and keep testing the angle if you need it. Second, whoa, what happened there? You need a GoPro cage that has an opening on the side so you can connect your mic adapter later. You need to open the latch by sliding it and gently take it out. And save it for later, because you'll need to pop it back on when you're done with it. That's how it's gonna look. Third, you need those ND filters for your lens to avoid washed out footage. This will provide a more cinematic view. I only use the 32 and the 16 ND filters because the rest are just pretty much useless in bright days. Fourth, you need to attach the mic adapter to your helmet. And then you're going to ask yourself, how am I going to do that? Get these Velcro patches, the heavy duty ones. You can buy them from Bunnings for $4 or $5. Cut the right size and stick it onto your adapter first, and then stick it inside the GoPro, and then onto your helmet. That way you won't have to guess the distance of your connection. Last thing is to attach a 3.5mm microphone to your adapter, and you're all set to start making beautiful content. Happy days.